Welcome to Techtopiax, where tech meets innovation. Let's dive in.
If you're tired of dust building up in your computer, printers, or other sensitive electronics, it's time to talk about a professional-grade solution that gets the job done right. The METROVAC DV3 ESD 1V Datavac ESD maintenance system. Designed for precision cleaning, this isn't your average household vacuum. It's a powerful, purpose-built cleaning tool designed to keep your electronic equipment spotless and static-free. If you'd like to learn more, you can check out the product link below. Let's start with what makes this system special. The Datavac ESD is built to tackle the toughest cleaning tasks in professional environments where dust, lint, and debris can wreak havoc on delicate components. Whether you're maintaining office computers, workstations, copiers, or other electronic devices, this machine delivers the power you need while maintaining the safety your tech deserves. What truly sets the Datavac ESD apart from ordinary vacuums is its anti-static technology. Static discharge is a silent killer when it comes to electronic devices. The Datavac's built-in anti-static system prevents any chance of accidental static buildup or discharge, which means your sensitive hardware stays fully protected during cleaning. That's a huge win for IT technicians, repair professionals, and anyone serious about maintaining high-end gear. Power is at the heart of this system. The Datavac ESD is engineered with a robust motor that delivers impressive suction and airflow to lift away dust from even the smallest crevices. Combined with its blower function, you can quickly remove debris from keyboards, fans, circuit boards, and other hard-to-reach spots without having to dismantle your equipment. It's efficient, effective, and reliable. Now let's talk about convenience. The Datavac ESD comes with a complete set of professional-grade accessories to make your cleaning process smoother and more precise. Inside the kit, you'll find a flexible 3 to 6 foot hose, a crevice tool for narrow spaces, a dust brush for surface cleaning, a grounding wrist strap for safety, and a 4-piece micro-cleaning tool set for detailed work. Plus, it comes with a foam-padded nylon carry bag, which is perfect for keeping all your accessories organized and ready to go. When it comes to air quality, METROVAC didn't cut any corners. The Datavac ESD features a 4-stage HEPA filtration system that traps particles as small as 0.3 microns. That means it not only cleans your equipment, but also ensures that the air around you stays fresh and free from dust recirculation. It's ideal for tech labs, offices, or any workspace where cleanliness is critical and durability. This system is built like a tank. The all-steel body is designed for long-term use, even under heavy workloads. It's the kind of build quality that ensures this vacuum will stay in your toolkit for years, making it a reliable investment for both professionals and tech enthusiasts alike. With its mix of performance, protection, and build quality, the METROVAC DV3 ESD 1V isn't just a cleaning tool, it's a complete maintenance solution. If you handle electronics regularly and want your devices to last longer and perform at their best, this is exactly what you need in your setup. Here's the link for the product if you'd like to check it out yourself.